In this episode, you will see how aquarium and pond pumps are made. Keeping an aquarium with a variety of fish and plants can be a nicely fulfilling hobby. It's a passion that has a calming effect on the human nervous system and brings closer to the nature. Beautiful and well-kept aquarium is also an original decoration for every home. To make it fully enjoyable, it is necessary to use modern systems for lighting, filtering, and keeping the water at the right temperature. One of the most important components in these systems is the pump, which is not only responsible for water filtration and circulation, but also supports oxygenation and heat distribution. To find out how the pump is made, we visited Suwałki, where Aquael's plant is based. It is a Polish manufacturer, well known in the zoological industry. Aquael has been developing a range of technologically advanced equipment for 40 years. Beside manufacturing of pumps, filters for aquarium and pools. Aquael also manufactures pumps for ponds and fountains. Ready? Here we go. First stage begins in the construction department, where 3D printers transform ideas into three-dimensional models, such as housings, seals, rotors, and other mechanical components. Prototypes of engine cores and electronic control boards are also created here by well-skilled engineers. The prototypes are tested in various conditions and settings to ensure optimal performance and durability of the finally developed device. The next stage is the setup for production. Aquael designs and builds production lines together with all necessary tools for pumps production and assembly. Let's take a look at some of them. The EDM machine uses a graphite or copper electrode to form the shape of the mold cavity in the steel. The CNC 3-axle milling center shapes the unique graphite electrode. A measuring machine is positioning the elements with 1 micron accuracy for every processing. In the injection molding department, all components are made from most commercially available plastics. The process is supported by robotic manipulators. Vertical, horizontal, and injection blow molding machines, as well as vulcanization presses, are available for various production processes here. Now, let's take a look at the manufacturing process of stator, which is the heart of the pump. First, a copper pin is inserted into the coil core, made by the injection molding department, followed by the winding of a wire. This is how a coil is made. At this stage, metal sheets cut by a stamping die mounted in the press are attached, and the stator is fully assembled. In next step, it goes to the control electronics assembly station, and the steering module is placed in a housing, where the devices are assembled into modular units. Here we impregnate the machine by flooding it with 2 or 3 layers of a resin. The electric unit must be waterproof in 100%. At the same time, electronic components, such as electronic boards, are being developed to provide the right control of the device. A collaborative robot, which can work directly with a human, is in operation here. This workstation was designed by Aquael engineers as well. The robot is programming and immediately detecting any incorrectly assembled components on the board. The final stage is the assembling and testing of the finished pumps. Once connected to the testing device, pressure gauges indicate under appropriate pressure whether the complete unit is tight. The operation of the piston in the water suction mechanism is also checked. If necessary, each filter is disassembled and double-checked. All pumps must perform testing procedure in the production department. But certain pumps have more advanced testing in the quality control department. Here, ultrasonic measuring devices examining the water flow and pressure, which are key parameters generated by the impeller in the pump chamber. At the same time, the power consumption and other electrical parameters are verified during pump operation. Done. Aquael provides modern setup and control of pumps using an app. Aquael is Europe's largest production facility of its kind, manufacturing pumps for equipment used by global brands across various markets. Wherever innovative products attract forward-thinking buyers,